guys! So Jay's birthday is coming up and I decided that this year I'm going to DIY their gift. Yeah, so we're both into kind of that like punk aesthetic, so we end up with a lot of different denim jackets. I decided that it would be kind of fun to pick out a new denim jacket for Jay and kind of DIY it to something that I think they would like. So I guess you could say this is kind of a thrift flip video slash birthday surprise video. So basically we ended up going to a thrift store together and finding a jacket that fits them well. It's very hard to find clothes. Yeah, so we decided to just kind of find one that fit them well that I thought I could turn into something new. So this is the jacket. It's a little bit of a longer denim jacket here. The weird thing about this is that it kind of has this like ruffled collar. So I'm probably gonna cut that off and then kind of work from there. And yeah, and then the only other accent is just this large button here. So kind of my concept with this jacket is, well, Jay's obsessed with chickens. Like that's their favorite animal. They're obsessed with them. They love watching videos. They want to own like multiple chickens in the future at some point when we have money and space and time for that. So I kind of went with kind of a punk chicken theme. Yeah, just kind of a fun, quirky type of jacket that I think will fit them pretty well. So first things first is that we're going to just kind of cut off those ruffles and give us something fresh to work with. We're gonna have to sew some things at some point. I'm a little scared of that. I'm not the best with sewing. I do enjoy it. I know how to do basic embroidery, things like that, basic hand sewing. But it's definitely not my strong suit. I'm way more comfortable with painting. So I decided to make some stencils and do the painting first. If you've seen my Bob Ross video, you already know about the product I use for stencils. It's Martha Stewart's adhesive stencil film. And so I cut out this. This is going to be for the back of it. It just says, "Don't be chicken," with a little chicken. And this is going to actually match the patches that I'm thinking of putting at the bottom. Oh, my cat is sneezing. Are you okay, baby? So I'm just going to start with this stencil. I also made a little chicken one, and this is just going to be on the back of the jacket. So this is kind of the main attraction for the back, and I was thinking of putting this kind of to match the front and also use this kind of as a guideline for cutting the fabric. So yeah, let's get to it.
What are those?
Martha Stewart, why? Literally used not the sticky part of the stencil that you're supposed to use, but the other part that you're supposed to take off and throw away, because I can't get the stencil to work. Like, I struggled with it when I did the Bob Ross one, but it worked fine, but I think it's because it's like a simple shape. So yeah, so I just kind of taped this down, and then I'm just gonna fill in any of the other spots that I don't want paint to touch with tape. I have no idea what I'm doing. I definitely got some on the side, so I'm gonna try to make that look purposeful. It kind of worked. I'm going to leave this to dry. I physically am inhaling paint fumes. We're doing amazing. So, the chickens are not working. at all. So I really need to get this done because their birthday's coming up and I want it done on time, obviously. So I think what I'm gonna do is just paint the chickens on, because I do have a stencil already made so that I could cut out that. So I'll just figure something out. Okay, and in the same fashion as before, I'm just going to do the same with the chicken and put that on the bottom part of the jacket. I'm honestly scared to take the adhesive part of this stencil off, and since I need to reuse the stencil anyway, I'm just gonna keep it on for now. But instead of the spray paint for this one, I think I'm just gonna use some fabric paint just so I can keep this process going a little faster. Guys, it's a little chicken! As you can see, the chickens don't have the top, I can't think of the word. The like top red part, the hat, the chicken hat. They don't have that because I'm turning them into mohawks. Because basically Jay is just like the embodiment of a punk chicken. So I'm giving them some punk chickens on their DIY jacket. And yeah. So we have that one, so let's just kind of continue along.
Look at all those chickens!
Hey guys, so we have all of the chickens here, so now I'm just going to add the little mohawks to them. So we have 10 chickens, so I decided to use 5 different colors. And just kind of go from there. I'm not trying to like toot my own horn too much, but I think this turned out really cute. So look at them. They're like little punk rainbow chickens. I love them. That is still drying. I don't want to talk about that, but look at them. Look at these chickens. If Jay doesn't like this, I'm physically going to cry. Like, look at it though. They're so stinking cute. So, update. I took off the Don't Be Chicken stencil. I have a problem. Why am I stupid? Why? What is this? Why? Why did I... Well, because I didn't want to get it on the sides, but then I went with it, because I messed up. It's fine, you know. I forgot that I had tape holding the stencil down. So now it looks wonky, so I'm going to try to fix this with this black paint marker for fabric paint marker and see where that gets me. I don't know how I'm going to salvage this, but here we go. I'm doing really well. Thanks for asking. So I decided to paint where the tape was and add it so it was symmetrical. So you can see that black. And then I think what I'm gonna do, because there's spots where the stencil just like didn't stay down, which is my own fault, but like, Martha Stewart, I blame you. Anyways. So yeah, so I'm going to cover up any blemishes with just some red paint and hope for the best. So after I added the red, that's how that turned out. And I think I'm actually pretty happy with this. But honestly, the rainbow chickens is where it's at. There's no mistakes. There's just happy accidents. Thank you, Bob Ross. I think our next step is that I'm just going to add some spikes to the pockets. These are actually beads, but I couldn't find the other ones that I have. So we're gonna make do with this and just kind of sew these on. So we got all of the spikes on those pockets, and then I just kind of took off that large button. Didn't like it. It really wasn't doing anything for the jacket. And I decided that this could kind of just be like a jean cardigan type thing instead. So I just covered up that buttonhole with this little rainbow patch. So that last little chicken is drying with this little mohawk right there. And yeah, Beanie. Beanie, guess what time it is? It's midnight. It's your birthday. Why are you wearing sunglasses? What?
It's my birthday. And Bo's moving the tripod. And this also means I get my jacket.
Yeah. You get your jacket.
Yeah.
Are you feeling 22?
No, I'm feeling
You're not? Okay.
the depression.
You gotta close your eyes.
Okay.
I'm gonna hand it to you so you can like fully.
I'm scared.
What?
I'm scared. Could hand me anything.
Okay.
The moment. Okay.
Okay, Beanie.
Okay.
Open.
Okay.
There's like so.
Oh my god.
What? What?
That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my god! Ew. Oh my god!
What?
Oh my god!
You're a chicken.
Oh my god!
Cause you're a little punk chicken, Beanie.
Holy shit! Babe!
What?
This is so cute!
Hmm.
Wait, hold on, I gotta see the front. I can't believe I didn't guess chickens. Hello.
I know. Like, I gave you so many guesses. I let you guess like 10 times.
Oh my God.
And you never once guessed chickens for
I don't
the
know
theme.
why I didn't think there would be chickens
I'll put the
involved.
spikes on you
Oh, and a red chicken.
with a black mohawk.
Yeah. This is the cutest thing ever.
You liked it? Happy birthday.
It's so cool.
Really?
Look at the back. Hello? What's gonna mess with me? Don't be chicken. Look. Look at this friend. Look at all of these friends.
I tried to make a stencil for the text. That did not work. So I threw that one out. But the chicken one's still here.
Oh,
See?
it's cute. And you thought I wasn't gonna like this beanie. Well,
When you could see the tapestry in the background that Arcane ripped because he likes to climb it at night.
which we never fixed.
Chickens! If you'd like to see more content, please hit subscribe.